Hi everyone. Tomorrow I have the absolute privilege and pleasure to guide a group forest bathing, Shinrin Yoku, which means bathing your senses in the forest bathe. And I've been sitting here for about 5 minutes, and what I notice is very quickly my body, my nervous system, my energy begins to attune to the natural rhythm of the forest. And this quietening of my inner world can happen really quickly. But for this to take place, we are invited to slow down. And so when you forest bathe, slowing down is a really key part of the practice. So when I hold a forest bathing session, the first 3 practices are about guiding the group to safely slow down, and so their nervous system feels safe, and they then become more attuned with themselves because they're moving out of their heads where all of our thoughts and a lot of the mental activity lies, and their awareness drops into the body and they access their senses, including extra sensory awareness, which means they become more feeling and perceptive, and they begin to notice things in their surroundings which they may not have seen before. And this can take place even in woodlands where you've walked hundreds and hundreds of times and you haven't seen what is around you because you're actually only seeing what's in your mind.